Today we will do jobs jobs of deck officer, including master in merchant navy. Now our jobs are actually two are compulsory. The first most important one is the navigation, taking the ship from A to B safely. The second job, which is second priority, is cargo care during the voyage and cargo loading, discharging. But if you are unlucky, then you have another three jobs which we are trained for, which might be there if you are unlucky or may not be there. The third job could be policing, or you can say police station. For example, in deep sea, if there is a crime on board, someone is hitting someone, abusing, you have to take action, you have to make log entries, disciplinary actions, inform company. So it's a policing authority. So it's like a police station. This is in deep sea. Again, if there is a fire on board at deep sea, again, you are a fire station. Because in deep sea you cannot call police, you cannot fight fire, you have to fight it yourself. So we are trained for this, how to fight fire. And the last thing is, if someone has got an accident or becomes sick, then you are also the ship's doctor when vessel is in deep sea. When vessel is in port, there is no problem. You can call the police, you can call the fire brigade from the shore, or you can send the crew to the doctor in the shore. So we are trained for this also in deep sea. Now let's do one more job, one more discussion, and that is the duties of deck officers at sea, the hours of duty. So the conventional hours of duty for chief officer is from morning 4 to morning 8, 4 hours duty. This is at sea, deep sea, and again 1600 to 2000, 4 hours. In between there's 8 hours rest. So total hours is 8 hours in 24 hours. Remaining 16 hours is rest. Second officer is midnight to morning 4, and then from midday, that is noon, to 1600. Again 8 hours rest in between. 4 hours plus 4 hours, 8 hours duty in 24 hours. Third officer is morning 8 to 12, and again evening 8 to 12. That is 2000 to midnight. So this is the conventional duties for most of the ships, most of the countries. But in the American Merchant Navy, which is now quite a bit reduced because the ships are not many, but they have a different system which has some plus and minus points. For example, chief officer's duty there would be from morning 6 to 8, 2 hours, and then 1800 to midnight, this is 6 hours. 6 plus 2, total 8 hours. Second officer is from 1200 to 14, 2 hours, and then midnight to morning 6. So 2 hours plus 6 hours. So in between they get rest. Same total rest is 8 hours. And third officer's duty is only in the daytime. That is morning 8 to 12 and 1400 to 1800. In between is rest. So advantage of this system, let's see the advantage, is that third officer doesn't have much navigation experience. So he is getting only the daylight hours, which is more safety for navigation. It's more safe for navigation. So this is one advantage. The other advantage is, here you are getting 8 hours off. Here you are getting mostly one off time is more than 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, like that. So that is another advantage. One disadvantage of this system is that here you have to keep 4 hours duty, and here sometimes you have to keep 6 hours continuous duty. So that is one disadvantage.